Hello, I'm Ariana if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going into this beautiful spring eyeshadow look. So this is so cute. If you don't like shimmers, I am so sorry, but here we are. This is kind of like a purpley, shimmery, natural, neutral look. Okay, we're going in with the Wander Beauty Sweet Escape palette. This palette is so pretty. Oh my god. And the purples and the dusty roses in this palette is gorgeous. So I went in with a mauve kind of shade. This shade, I wanted to go for like something that was really subtle and was a little bit more purple since I did want this to be kind of purple focused, but the way that this kind of came up on me and on my skin was a little bit more burgundy and pink than I wanted it to, but it still looks fine. But I just wanted to say that this is gonna look different on your skin tone, on any skin tone. So just a reminder. So basically what I did was I took a tapered brush, and which is just like a smaller blending brush that's tapered off at the end, and I'm basically just creating an outer V like we always do, and I went ahead and extended it to create an eyeshadow wing. So this is really subtle, and this is going to be the first layer of this eyeshadow look. So we are going to be building from this. Usually I like to start with the darkest shade first and then blend that out, but I'm kind of going in the opposite direction for this because I want it to be so natural and just so blended out and smoky and very subtle. So then I went ahead in with this dark burgundy shade. Was just to deepen this little outer V corner up just a little bit, since I feel like the purple that I wanted it to be was just not dark enough and wasn't showing up as much as I wanted it to. So I went in with the dark burgundy shade to make it a little bit darker and to kind of define the outer V a little bit more. Then I went in with this transition shade right on top to go ahead and buff that out, blend it out, and make it look nice and seamless going up toward the brow bone. And then we're going into the lid. So I used this light cream shimmer shade. This is like an off-white. I use this with a dome-shaped packer brush. This brush is just circular on top. It's like a U, and it made it really easy to pack on the shimmer shade and also keep it in the shape that I wanted it to be. So I just went back and forth from dipping into the pan to applying to my eyes, and I'm kind of trying to create like a half cut crease situation with the shimmer shades, which is what I love to do when I am working with shimmer shades because it's so easy to do it without concealer. I then went ahead and grabbed a really light purple and I popped that into my inner corner. So this is what's going to give that beautiful reflective multi-dimensional look and feel, and also just a pop of spring color palette into this look. So I think this is a really beautiful way to make your eyes pop and to kind of play with color, especially like since we're going into spring. If you are not a colored person, if you're a very minimal monochromatic person, this would look really pretty on brown eyes. Or if you want to add color into your wardrobe or into your style somehow but you don't want to go overboard. So I went ahead and cleaned up the outer wing eyeshadow area with some concealer and buffed it out, and now I'm going in with that same purple and putting it on my brow bone just to give myself a little bit of a highlight, because I am kind of going for like a glowy, pretty, springish, dewy-ish look here. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side of my eye. This is me cleaning up the eyeshadow to make sure that it's nice and symmetrical. Then I went in with some brown mascara. So I didn't want to do black mascara. I had this brown mascara and I felt like it was a great addition, or I mean icing on the cake for this look, since everything I was going for was really soft and really subtle. So this was the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced in the chocolate version. I really like this one. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara has always been one of my favorite high-end mascaras, and the chocolate version does not disappoint. So the way that I kind of get my lashes to look really nice and voluminous and long when I'm going for a natural lash day is I like to focus on the root of my lashes and then really get in there and comb and dig and go from side to side and get my lashes as coated as possible. And I also like to back comb my lashes to add a lot of volume. And this is what we ended up with. I got the mascara onto my skin and I used a spoolie to scrape it off, and this is the final look. I think this is a really pretty and subtle pop of color for the spring season. Let me know what you think down below, and if you have any other video suggestions you'd like to see from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!